Hey friends, welcome back to my 7 days with Altenew series and it's day 2. You can find the link of day 1 card in the description box or at the end of this video. So stay tuned till the end. Let's start. Today's card is all about flowers, flowers and flowers. I have used Altenew Beautiful Day stamp set along with Altenew newly launched watercolors. I have an unboxing video of these watercolors on my channel and you can find the link of that video as well in the description box. I haven't used watercolor paper for that. It's a Fabriano Cardstock which was in my stash, but you can use your choice of cardstock for that, or you can simply use watercolor paper and do stamping and coloring on that as well. I'm using masking technique for creating my flower cluster. Used Versafine black ink for that, and you can find all the supplies link in the description box of this video. I'm not doing all the coloring very perfectly, just doing loose hand watercoloring and picking colors directly from the pen. I have mentioned all the color codes in my blog post and you can find the link in the description box. I gave some black splatters to my card using the jet black shade and sentimentals again from the same stamp set and used my MISTI tool for perfect stamping. That's it for today. Stay tuned for this 7 days with Altenew series, and tomorrow I will come up with another card. I have mentioned all the supplies link in my description box, so you can find all over there. Hope you like it. Give it a try and don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See ya.